Good morning and welcome to our channel. I've got a pretty special episode for you today. We are going to be filming the infamous Cat 825 compactor. We've been hauling this compactor for our local customer for a few years now, and it's a pretty rare event that she moves. She usually moves about every year, year and a half, and today I think it's right around the year mark, so it's going to be pretty exciting. I'm very excited to show you. Our customer has been gracious enough to let us film. We are going to be putting on the compactor plates when Rick gets back here in a few hours. I'll show you guys that. If you want a more detailed version, I'll link a description here in the bio below. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. What a crisp morning we have. So Rick's first run yesterday got jammed packed, so we were not able to go ahead and move the compactor. But we got the plates on and she's ready to be moved this morning. So these are made from road plates that were considered bad for the rental company that we got them from. So they were perfectly good for us to use, and the compactor wheels will stop before it touches the wood. And then we have conveyor belts, and that goes on top of the compactor plates, and it helps the compactor with the traction. And then yeah, it split the last time, so we're gonna replace that after this run. These are excavator tracks, and they go right here on the ramps, and it helps protect the ramps from getting eaten up by the compactor wheels. So we're gonna make our coffee, call our second escort, and we will head to the job site, and I'll take you guys along for the ride. Here she sits in all of her glory. We're waiting on Dave to get here to fire up. How wide was the blade? 1410 and a half? Yeah, isn't she impressive? So we're gonna get the truck ready and he'll bring her out to us.
And the beat drops.
Okay, Dave is on site. He is back beyond a metal gate, and the compactor is fired up and running. We've got our plates out, the mat's on, the tracks are out. We've got all of our chains. We do one in the front, one in the middle, and one set in the back, plus the blade. We will need shackles. It's for a hook point, I believe. It's been so long since we've hauled this. Can you hear? There she is. Here she comes. There she is. Isn't she gorgeous? She's our lovely painting. That's Dave. He's very thrilled to be on camera. Isn't he? Oh, and we're at Devou, at the bottom of the hill of Devou Park. For a fun time. Look at her. Rick has so graciously done all the flags and signs so you guys can see her. She is such a horse. That went pretty smooth. Rick's going. No. Would you let me drive it? Yay! I would totally drive it on the ground. Yeah. We're just gonna hook back up, and I'll show you the changing process.
And the beat drops.
live so you can enjoy our pretty small airport relatively. And we're gonna get ready to go through the tunnel. So I thought this would be a super cool shot. It's got a clearance of 16.6 and the compactor I think is about 14.6 if I am correct. And like I said earlier in the video, the blade is 14.10 and a half wide. So we've got plenty of room. Welcome to the airport, guys. We are here at the airport. I didn't show you guys the unchaining because I figured you get the picture. So Dave's climbing up, getting ready to offload, put the stuff away, and off we go.
And the beat drops.
That was the 825 compactor. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Give us a like. He's not paying any bit of attention to me. Goodbye, folks.